Hello, my name is Diaz-Arango, and I'm showing you Identity War, my game for the 2018 Scholastics competition. It is a simple maze game filled with enemies, virus enemies, that you have to dodge. You have to collect a virus key and go to the door at the end of every level. If you hit the enemies that are walking around, the level starts over. Every level has a different color key and door. In the final level, you have to collect 2 keys and then make it to the end of the maze. Once you hit the last checkpoint, the game ends. Thank you. This has been Identity War.